What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today we're working on this monster truck. Well, for me, because I'm short. We're working on this F-250 Lariat. We're going to be doing a maintenance wash on it. This one is actually coated. I did a video on this one a while back when I did coat this vehicle. Obviously, the coating is doing really well. But today we're going to do a good vacuum. We're going to blow out the interior, condition all the interior, and we are going to be also washing the exterior and getting it nice and ready. Some family's coming over, so we got to make sure that the family drives in a clean and beautiful black F-250. But we're also going to be reviewing a brand new product that I've been working with or playing with for the past couple of weeks. That's kind of one of the reasons why I haven't been on YouTube too much, is because usually when I get new products, I tend to just focus on the product, see how it works, if I like it, you know, and once I'm ready to talk about it, I definitely bring you guys in, right? So today we're going to be talking about a brand new product, so stick around and let's get all started. One of the things I've been doing this for a while, and it's just a tip. If you didn't see that video, hopefully this tip kind of helps you. I have this is a auto fiber towel. Auto Fibers sent this to me as a gift a while back. When they saw what I did with Tony, helping him out, they graciously sent me this towel as a gift. But I really try not to use it for drying. It's too big for me, and once it gets wet, I'm sure it's heavy. And I would think it takes a beating on the washer, so that's why I tend to not use it for drying. What I do use it for, its true purpose, why I love it and I have enjoyed it, is for this reason. Whenever I get to customers' houses, the first thing I do is I will put the towel on top because I want that to keep the heat from coming in, right? As well, it keeps kind of the interior a little bit cooler than having the sun just beat it up, and it helps really cool down. And if you guys can see, this towel is giving me a lot of shade, and as well as it goes all through the back. And I'll kind of bring you guys on this side so you guys can see with the towel in. Just look how just darker it looks. I would say it looks cooler. So as a detailer, if you're working cool, your body is not gonna overheat. You're not gonna dehydrate. As to, honestly, I feel that if you have this whole thing uncovered, the sun will just beat you up. So for that reason, I tend to always put a towel on the windshield. As well, a lot of people struggle with cleaning windshields, being mobile, and a lot of the times it's because that windshield is so hot. So by putting this towel, it actually helps me stay cool, keeps my body temperature low, and as well, I'm able to clean this windshield nicely, leaving streak-free windows and not having the heat beat me up. The Lux Cockpit Detailer. I gotta redo it now. So the product we are going to be talking about today is the new Drive Auto Appearance Lux Cockpit Detailer. What do I like about this product, right? One of the benefits of this product is, as I was talking to Cam, which I gotta say, shout out to Cam for providing me this free sample here for me to try out and really honestly tell him what I think about it. So after playing this with a good couple of cars, right, this is the perfect product for those who are looking for a product that is not gonna give you gloss, but it's gonna give you protection, right? This product here is an all-around product. You can use this on your glass, you can use this on your dashboard, you can use this on your leather, on plastics, really everything you can think of. This thing is going to do really well. Also, it has UV protection, therefore it's going to clean, but it's also going to leave you a nice finish. It's going to leave you a protection behind, and it's not going to be glossy, right? So for this vehicle, we're going to be using this product, and I'm going to show you just a little bit on how I use it. But I love the trigger sprayer, very easy to use. So the way I do it, one is I usually will spray the areas, and then what I'll do is I will agitate. And as you guys can see, hopefully in the video, it is a very sudsy product. I will say, you can tell there is cleaning power on this product just because of the way it smells. Like, it has a really I'm gonna say citrusy smell. It's very you can smell it, right? So there is definitely cleaning power in this product, but safe. So it smells like citrus, but very sudsy. And when you come and you remove it, it just leaves you that nice finish. This product was really intended for those who use Lux Cockpit conditioner. This is what you would call your maintenance product. So if you'll use, let's say, Lux Cockpit conditioner maybe like 2 weeks ago on a vehicle, and now you're back to service it, this is the perfect product to pair it with, because it's not going to remove the protection. It's just gonna, I would say, kind of enforce the protection. So this one was really intended to be used with Lux Cockpit conditioner. After the initial application, you can use this on any vehicle, but even if you didn't use Lux Cockpit conditioner and you're looking for that product that is going to give you that nice finish, this one is definitely the one. And here's just an example of how that product finishes out after a couple of seconds of airing out. Just look at that finish. Really, really nice. All right, so on leather, it does really well. We're gonna spray this product here. You can use your Ninja scrub, you can use your regular brush, whatever you want. For this scenario, obviously, we're gonna use the Max Shine brush just to agitate this leather seat. And as you guys can see, it is very sudsy, which I do love. And you can tell that there is definitely some cleaning power with this product. You can use it on pretty much everything. Again, like I said, plastic, vinyl, your glass, your entertainment system on your truck, pretty much everything. And as you guys can see, at first it was, all we're doing, I think this product is just removing a lot of the buildup that it could have, and it leaves you just a nice finish. And we'll let it kind of dry out so you guys can see how well the finish is. So you're gonna start seeing over here at the beginning, I don't know if you were able to see it, but it was really glossy. Now it pretty much cleaned it, but just look at how well this product just leaves your leather. And it's still drying off, obviously, but you can definitely see a huge difference from how it looked before to how it looks now. There's definitely not gloss on it. It leaves just more of that natural look on your interior. So for that reason, is one thing I do like about this product is just the finish it gives. Like, it doesn't add any gloss, it doesn't add any, like, nothing crazy. It's just gonna give it just that natural finish really of how a leather. A lot of people say, if your leather is glossy, it's dirty. This is gonna give you just that nice finish on the leather, and just giving you that nice finish. One thing you will notice with this product is it's not stripping I feel like it's cleaning, but it is not removing like the conditioner, if that makes sense. Because once you wipe it off, man, it just leaves a very nice finish as it's drying. And that's one of the things I really enjoyed it, because really a lot of my maintenance customers that I do have Lux Cockpit conditioner, and I gotta say, it's hard to explain, but the finish it leaves behind, it's not like overbearing. I don't know if that makes sense, but the finish is really good. It's not, you don't have like a matte finish, or a matte clean, like it removed everything, because it leaves just a nice finish behind. I've cleaned this seats already, and just look at that finish. That is really, really nice. And as the product is pretty much like airing out or gassing out, however you guys word it, the finish it leaves behind is really well. And I ended up switching over to this Ninja Scrub just to really, you know, kind of give it a nice agitation on the seats. It's pretty much done. It's now time to just clean the glass. And I gotta tell you guys, this towel makes such a huge difference when cleaning glass. Temperature wise, I mean, there is some heat, but it is not overbearing to where it's just gonna make your glass cleaning just that much easier. Whew. We are finally done with this project. This truck overall came out really, really well. But to conclude this video on the new Drive Auto Appearance Lux Cockpit Detailer, my final thoughts on it is, honestly, it's a really, really good product. I'll be posting a link to where you can get this. I think this product is $18.99. I could be wrong on the price. To some, this is a very costly product. It's very expensive to some. The way I look at it is, I'm not going to be using this product in every car. I'm mostly going to be using this on my customers who I see maybe every other week, not on my details, because on my details I want more cleaning power. This has the power, but this is more of a maintenance product. So it is to maintain the previous conditioner you use on the interior. This is going to clean and maintain it. I will say the odor on this product is very strong, but it works. You shake this bottle up and you can see all the sudsiness that's in there. So I really liked it. I think that's the only thing that I might say is the odor was a bit too strong for me, but it works. I've enjoyed using it on multiple cars already. The finish it leaves, you're about to see a little bit on how this turned out once it is all dried up and gassed out or aired out, however you guys say it. It looks really, really well. It gives you just that nice neutral finish, right? Nothing shiny, nothing greasy. It's just gonna give you that nice finish, more of like that new car look and feel overall. But I really enjoyed this product. Again, I'll be posting a link down below. If you want to check it out, go check it out. So far, I have really, really liked this product. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.